This is the rescued chickens and ducks. We've got them out in this little cage. We screwed a piece of metal to the top. Got them water hanging, food. We move them around every day, sometimes twice a day. You see, this is where they was at this morning. That's where they was at the other day. So we're slowly working them through the tall grass. Big man is not very happy with them. He does not like the new birds. Hey, where are you taking her? They're gone. But the ducks even enjoy it. We've got them a different water set up. We've got them a bowl so that they can actually get in it. And it's dirty right now. We need to wash it out. They enjoy getting in it, splashing around. Courtney's going to try to pick some of these dandelions today or tomorrow. There's plenty of them. Excuse the water hose mess.